Hello, Brian here, aka the Naturalist Engineer, and this is a video that's exclusive for the South Carolina Native Plant Group. I've been kind of MIA a little bit for the past couple months, but I'm hoping that everything will be good and I can slow down some activities in some other areas of my life and get a little bit more back into native plants and conservation and all that. But just wanted to show you a little bit of the yard right now, as I have a lot of lessons learned from having this yard for, well, been doing the whole native thing for 8 years now. So one thing that happens is, in the absence of fire or just trimming things back, you'll have a little bit less flowers of like some of these types. There ends up being more root competition. So it's still a very active yard in the sense of just, you know, biodiversity and insects and whatnot. But it just, the stage of its life cycle sort of changes a little bit. So this area historically has had just tons of mountain mint before. Now it's reduced down to this. Ferns have taken over, switch cane has taken over. And I mean, I planted all the switch cane and it's welcome, but I haven't burned anything in a while or done any sort of manual slashing. Taller grasses have set in, like this Erianthus. And I think this is the silver variety or silver species. But today I had trimmed up some of these spruce pines to open up the canopy a little bit. And then maybe next year I'll do a little bit of a burn and return some of these nutrients down into the soil here. So yeah, I'm not really ever afraid of any one native really taking over. I thought at first, oh my gosh, you know, the white-top sedge is going to take over. Nope. And same thing with this Commelina species. Nope, not taking over at all. I mean, basically, root competition and just competition in general and not fertilizing. And this is what you get, you know, if you don't burn. And in the front yard, kind of similar. If I'm not returning nutrients back down, organic matter kind of accumulates on the surface, and we did have some droughts here and there, but I don't fertilize at all. Now, I mean, the spiderwort is, of course, going off, and you can't see it right now because usually they bloom in the morning. These little ponds are doing fine as usual. Look at this poor little thing, struggle busting. But yeah, that's about it. Till next time.